Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is TIMO-TECH Electronics. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect this digital star sound single DIN. This is a single DIN radio. Yeah, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how to wire this to in cap. Okay, so these are the cables for the wiring. Finally, this is the radio. Okay, so the radio looks like this. As you can see, it's very nice. Very nice with a very good heat sink. As you can see, the AV cables. These are the AV cables outputs. When you are putting a subwoofer, this is antenna for the FM. There is 10 amp fuse. Also the socket for the So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect this stereo. This is a single DIN. Okay, let's start with the power. So this the yellow one. This one is for the permanent power, which is 12 volts. When you put into a 12 volts vehicle, the yellow one is for the 12 volts, the permanent one. Then this red one, this is the AC, the ACC, which is accessory. So when you turn to ACC, the power that having the power, the cable which is having the power when you turn to the AC, that's where this cable goes. This one from the permanent power 12 volts, and the black one, this is ground. As we all know, the entire body of the vehicle, it's negative. So this black is negative. The blue one, this is remote. Yeah, when you are putting the remote one, this goes to the blue cable. As you can see. The second socket, these are just for the speakers. The O is for the speakers, which is rear left, rear right, then front right, rear right, front right. Yeah, as you can see, this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Assume you're having I'm having a 12 volts power, which is this one. So here, assume we're using the same cable for the power and AC. Yeah, so this one. Assume we're having this one. Okay, yeah, so this one goes together. But when putting to a car for this lead one, you need to look for a AC cable. Don't connect this one. I'm just showing you how the connection should be done. So assume this cable has gone to the permanent power 12 volts, and this one has gone to the 12 volts AC cable, and this one's the ground. Okay, everything is done, then you are good to go. Yeah, so 12 volts of plugged in. As you can see, the radio power, it has come on. As you can see, very simple. So this one, this socket is for the speakers. Okay, so let's try this one. We try this one. This is positive. and this is negative. Okay. Yeah, so this socket goes to the speakers, cables for the speakers. Okay, you heard this is FM. Yeah, okay, I won't play any song to avoid copyright to my video. So let me use this socket. Yeah, so let me try this. We try if it will work.
What it means
Yeah, so
for
you heard
facilitation of trade. And that this border post now takes its place
this is FM. So that's how you connect a single
in
beam
the
to
Africa
enter.
Free Trade Area, in the connectivity, in facilitation of trade. Trade between Zambia and Tanzania through Zambia and Tanzania ends up in Kenya.
This is TIMO-TECH Electronics. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You hit the bell button every time I upload the video to get notification.
Zambia, into Zimbabwe,